Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Becky with Becky Selman's Art Studio. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing pretty good. I'm gonna come on here. I want to show y'all. I just did a tile this morning. I got a lot of hits on it, so I'm coming back to do a tutorial on how I did it. I'm gonna show you the simple way. With a cell activator, I use 1 teaspoon to Australian Floetrol to 1 tablespoon of Australian Floetrol to 1 teaspoon of Amsterdam titanium white. Lulu, quit. So today, this morning, I thought, I'm gonna use reds, purples, pinks, a little bit of black, and because I've got these colors mixed up, and I'm going to add this color as my base. Hope y'all can see that. That is Amsterdam's Pearl Red. Oh, crap. There you go. Amsterdam's Pearl Red. In the Studio Acrylics. Or in the standard acrylics. So I mixed that up 7-to-1 with mixed pour. Now I know you can't quite see the red hue in it because it's mixed with mix, which is totally fine. Because when it dries, that's when the magic happens, and that's when you'll see your red hue. I think you I'm getting used to this camera. Maybe you can see that little bit of red. Whoop. That little bit of red shimmer in that. Maybe. Kind of when you tilt it. Well, anyway, it's gonna have like a red, like a rainbow hue to it when it dries. So it's going to look really wild underneath just regular white cell activator. Okay, so I've poured this. This is how much I usually pour on top of mine. Of course, my swipes are wasteful. They just are. Now, and this is mixed, so guess what? You can pop them bubbles right out of it. Bring them right to the top. And pop them. So, and that one's wanting to be stubborn. Maybe that's not a bubble. Yeah, it was a bubble. Okay, so now what I do is I kind of spin mine out first. Because I'm doing a swipe. I want a smooth top. So I do a quick spin. Okay? I do that quick spin. Make it level a little bit. I help travel it across the sides. And I try to pop bubbles that come up from spinning. Okay. That kind of helps stretch it over the sides a little bit already. So now what I did is I just drizzled the red down first. I just drizzled, not in a big area, just a light area. Made little swirls. Not any, just little loop-de-loops, and come back around. Okay, kind of like a candy cane. I mean, it's like this. That was Napathol Crimson. Yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring y'all down and show y'all how I layer it. Okay. So I layered the red down. Then I layered You know, I'm just having to remember what I layered down next. I know I've got the colors right. Then I layered some fire opal. This is folk art fire opal. And I just left some white in between. It's all going to get pretty much covered up here in a minute. Then I added some, we're going to add some, this is metallic purple by Deco Art, Brilliant Metallics. Whoops, that was not supposed to happen. So you do that, you cover that, little loops or squigglies, whatever you want to call them. Then this is folk art purple shift. You drizzle that on top. Then we're going to add, oh, I think we added a little black this morning. Yeah, we're not going to add much. We're just going to add a little bit. Then I've got some Reflex Rose by Amsterdam. And we're going to layer that on. We're going to layer this like on the outside. A little bit. Just kind of spring it on there. You don't have to do much, just a little. And I'm hoping I get those outer sails the way I did. So I took this. This is just like a butter knife that I got from my kitchen. I've used this for a very long time, and I just happened to be cleaning out my other art room from the house, bringing more stuff in here, into my art shop. And I found it, and I was like, oh, there's my friend. I hadn't used him in a while, so we're going to use him here again. So now we're going to just take it and swipe down like that. You're going to wipe him off really good. Since I've got a longer spot, I put too much color into this one. But instead of just doing all of it, or half of it, I did all of it. And then I'm going to swipe it down, across. The sails are, I hope y'all can see that the sails are forming over that pearl red. It's kind of hard to see because it does look white. Okay, now I am going to swipe over that other side. Okay, here we go. We'll spin it around, and then we're going to swipe over this side. Like that. We'll give it a minute to let it develop. just a minute. Now let it sit here and do a little bit of magic. Let it breathe after I put some pressure on it. Some force. So now I'm going to spin. I get to give a balloon because that was a balloon smash. So I balloon smashed in the swiping area. So that's where I'm going to swipe at. Alright, now swipe. I'm so sorry. That's where I'm going to do a balloon smash. So I've got my balloon. And I got to carefully did a balloon, I did a smash. See? So then I wipe my balloon off. Or you can take it to somewhere else. And then you go right next door to it. And then you balloon smash it there. I think I'm only going to get 3 balloon smashes off this because I blew my balloon up a little bit too much. But that's okay. I'm driving my dog Lulu crazy with it. And then one more. Quit it. Quit it. Yeah, there we go. Hush. I'm sorry, guys. You can't have my balloon. You've already popped one. Yep, she's popped my first balloon this morning. Here, let's take that balloon. I don't do anything else to it. I let it sit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to... No, I'm not going to do that. I've got to correct my sides. So my edges aren't quite covered. But that's okay. Because it's not going to take much to cover these sides. And then we are done. Because I'm not stretching the balloons out anymore. Okay. Let me give y'all a close-up. That's so pretty. It's a very nice coaster. Be a very elegant piece. It's in red, and then if you have a black light, then it'll be reactive into the black light. Oh, she popped a balloon. Anyway, well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all learned a little bit. Doesn't take much to balloon smash. You don't have to push it hard. Anyway, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Costs you nothing. Helps my channel out tremendously. Anyway, I'm Becky, and I think that's going to do it. As always, enjoy the journey. Peace.